Okay, my friends, nice to meet you again. So today let's continue Shaolin 13 close, and I would like to make some workouts in presentation for the fourth animal character, the monkey. So let's start. Okay, so I will combine the first three movements into one movement. Okay, it's interesting, right? Okay, let's repeat. So turn to left and make arc with the left hand. So, and lift the left leg. I will do all movements together without any comments. So just now I did not kick back. We can kick back or not kick back. We can choose. It's not we do not have to do that. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe to my channel.